As you can see, I ripped up this whole wall so that the electricians can come tomorrow and move this light switch over here. And then hopefully I can get a 4-way outlet right there to replace this old one. It's only got 2 on it, and it's freaking loose. Tomorrow, Friday the 13th, luckily it's going to be a good day instead of a bad day when it comes to electrician. You know, when I reach around the corner for the outlet, I practically have to like lean over here, like literally, like, you know, it's not as, because the doorway used to be here, now it's here, so now I have to lunge over a little bit to get to the light switch. That's why I have to have them come tomorrow. Fun. A lot of work needs to be done in this room. So it's been keeping me busy. Have a good week. We'll see you later. Just a quick update too. This is a lot better than what it was before. I don't think that kind of looked like this, but I don't know what else to do anymore. Just put something over it and then put a shelf or something in front of it, or a picture on the wall or something. The hell with it. Then it's no longer visible. Just hide it. That's what I might have to do, is just hide it. Before I get started on the 4th and final part of this remodeling, I just wanted to give you a quick update. Look at the carpet so far that I found in a dumpster along with the mat a week ago yesterday, Sunday morning. I'm pretty pleased with that. And next we're gonna take all these parts that I painted earlier this morning from outside and put them on this wall. As you can see, the sheetrock is kind of spread out. Well, that way they'll be nice and level when I get them hung up, back hung up. Probably to put a couple in there, but other than that, it's pretty much good to go. Put some in that corner there, and then this I put up a couple years ago, and I just never got around to doing anything with it because of all the mudding. And now that I got soffit, I could just put this stuff up and call it a day. So we'll keep you posted in the final part. One more to go. So thanks again for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks again, everybody.